Today I will demonstrate how to clean a bathroom sink. I start off by adding barkeeper to the sink and then scrub it with the silicone brush with dish soap. Then I scrub the center with a large brush, move quickly to a smaller bristle brush to remove the gunk layers. Next, I move on to scrubbing the edges of the knobs and also around the sink to loosen up any buildups. Now I just rinse off the sink from any soap or loose particles. Finally, I dry it off from any water spots. Thank you for tuning in on the How to Clean videos.